Let's use Caper to verify a spin lock. We have three operations. Make spin lock allocates a lock, which consists of a single heap cell with initial value 0, representing the unlocked state. Acquire obtains the lock by atomically setting it from 0 to 1. If it fails, it will retry. Release releases the lock by setting it back to 0. We begin by defining a shared region to encapsulate a spin lock. We first define the guards for the spin lock region, which constitute the capabilities threads have to access the shared region. We define an unlock guard that will let a thread release the lock. Now we give the states for the region and their interpretation. We have two states. 0 representing the unlocked state where the heap cell has value 0, and 1 representing the locked state where the heap cell has value 1. Finally, we need to define the actions for the region. Any thread can acquire the lock by going from state 0 to 1, but only the thread with the unlock guard can release the lock by going from state 1 to state 0. One more thing, when we acquire the lock we want to get hold of the unlock guard so that we can release it. So we'll put that guard inside the region when it is in the unlocked state. Now let's specify make spin lock. The precondition will just be true, and the post condition will give us back a new spin lock region at the return address ret. We also have to specify the state of the region, but we don't care what it is, so we just put an underscore. Now let's get Caper to verify this. We can see Caper says accepted, so the specification holds. Looking at the output, to discharge the post condition, Caper constructed a new spin lock region in the unlocked state. Now for acquire. For the precondition, we need to have a lock at X, but we won't care about the state. For the post condition, we want the lock to be in the locked state, and we'll need the unlock guard. This makes sure that we can release the lock, but also that no one else can. And for release, we'll need the lock in the locked state and the unlock guard in the precondition. And we won't know the state of the lock in the post condition. Once we've released it, some other thread could acquire it. Let's get Caper to verify this. As we can see, Caper has successfully verified the spin lock against our specification.